Welcome all to Harry's Success Point. In last day's video, we studied about mitosis, which occurs in somatic cells, and today we will discuss the reduction division or meiosis, which occurs in germinal cells. Meiosis is a specialized type of cell division occurring in the diploid reproductive cells of all sexually reproducing organisms. The production of offspring by sexual reproduction includes the fusion of two gametes, each with a complete haploid set of chromosomes. Gametes are formed from specialized diploid cell. The reduction division that leads to the formation of haploid gamete from a diploid cell is called meiosis, or it is also called the reduction division. The main features of meiosis are: meiosis involves two sequential cycles of nuclear and cell division called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. It has only a single cycle of DNA replication. Meiosis 1 is initiated after the parental chromosomes have replicated to produce identical sister chromatids at the S phase or the synthesis phase. Meiosis involves pairing of homologous chromosomes and recombination between them. 4 haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, 4 stages are present. They are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. And in meiosis 2, we can see prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. So now we are going to see meiosis 1 in detail. Meiosis 1 begins with the prophase 1. The first meiotic prophase is much prolonged, elaborate and highly complex. It consists of 5 substages. They are leptotene stage, zygotene stage, pachytene stage, diplotene stage and diakinesis. During leptotene stage, the chromosomes become gradually visible under light microscope. The chromatin fibers condense and become short and thick. The compaction of chromosomes continues throughout the leptotene stage. Leptotene is followed by the second stage of prophase 1, and that is zygotene. Zygotene starts by the close pairing of homologous chromosomes. This is called synapsis. Such paired chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes and are bivalents or tetrads. The companion chromosomes of each homologous pair are cemented together throughout their length by a complex material called synaptonymal complex. Towards the end of the zygotene, mitotic spindle appears. The next stage is pachytene. During this stage, bivalent chromosomes remain together by the synaptonymal complex. This stage is characterized by the appearance of recombination nodule, the sites at which crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes. 2 genetically important events occur during pachytene stage, namely crossing over and genetic recombination between non-sister chromatids. At the site of recombination nodule, the non-sister chromatids exchange and reorganize the genetic material, leaving the chromosomes linked at the site of crossing over. The beginning of diplotene is recognized by the disappearance of synaptonymal complex. Simultaneously, the recombined homologous chromosomes of the bivalents separate from each other except at the site of crossover. Diakinesis is the last stage of prophase 1. It is characterized by the maximum coiling and condensation of chromosomes. During this phase, the chromosomes are fully condensed and the spindle fibers assemble to prepare the homologous chromosomes for separation. By the end of diakinesis, the nucleolus disappears and the nuclear envelope breaks down. This stage is followed by metaphase 1. In metaphase 1, the chromosomes move to the center of the cell and get arranged in a single metaphasic plate or the equatorial plate. The microtubules from the opposite poles of the spindle attached to the pair of homologous chromosomes. In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes separate while sister chromatids remain associated at their centromeres. During telophase 1, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappears. It is followed by cytokinesis forming dyads of cell. Cytokinesis may or may not occur. Thus, the product of first meiotic division is either a cell with 2 haploid daughter nuclei or 2 haploid daughter cells. The cell after diakinesis or after telophase 1 enter into another stage, an intermediate stage called interkinesis, and it is followed by the second meiotic division, which is very much similar to mitosis. Meiosis 2 begins with prophase 2, in which nuclear membrane disappears by the end of prophase 2. The chromosomes again become compact. At the metaphase 2, the chromosomes align at the equatorial plate and the microtubules from opposite poles of the spindle get attached to the kinetochores of sister chromatids. Anaphase 2 begins with the simultaneous splitting of the centromere of each chromosome, allowing them to move towards the opposite poles of the cell. Telophase 2 is the last stage of meiosis. During this stage, nuclear envelope is formed around each haploid chromosome. The nucleolus reappears and the chromosome uncoils and cytokinesis occurs, resulting in the formation of tetrad of cells or 4 haploid cells.